Well, that snow is it's not planning to light up as we go anytime soon, unfortunately. We're going to be dealing with just a good amount of the white stuff, but also the winds will begin to pick up over the next couple of hours, and just the cold air. It's just going to be a rough day as we go into our Tuesday. 21 degrees at this moment. Humidity at 85%. Temperatures, though, uniquely inverse compared to what they were last week when it comes to where are the coldest temperatures. If you remember last week, the coldest temperatures were towards the west, but ironically, they're actually the warmest. 27 in Ironwood, that's actually the warm spot. 22 in Florence, 24 in Houghton. And then as you spill over towards the east, that's where you find a bit more of that colder air. 22 in Iron Mountain, 22 in Munising, 16 at the Sioux. That is the cold spot. Those winds still light over the central UP, 6 miles per hour in Iron Mountain, but already beginning to howl at 20 in Houghton. And we're going to continue to see these winds picking up, especially out of the northwest or out of the north over the next 24 to 36 hours. And it's going to be a domino effect because of a cold front that's crossing through, but then that lake effect will be further enhanced. So we're going to be dealing with sub-zero wind chills through Wednesday morning. The wind itself, we could have gusts up to 45 to even 50 miles per hour, and then just the heavy snow really reducing that visibility. When it comes to better weather ahead, it's really going to be taking place more so as we get towards the back end of the work week into the weekend, as we begin to see temperatures creeping up closer to normal and that snow becomes less widespread. So more scattered as that lake effect becomes more concentrated into a smaller area. But for now, it's really just about being safe, but also staying warm. Now, we're starting to feel the full force of winter throughout the UP. Already winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings pretty much all along the shore of Lake Superior. These go into effect at 7 p.m. tonight towards 7 p.m. Tuesday. In the warnings, which are the blue, you can see accumulations up to 15 inches. In the advisories, which is everyone else in the white, we can see accumulations up to 6 to 8 inches. So it's going to be a rough night tonight and into Tuesday. And probably by sometime Tuesday night, we will begin to see the first signs of breaking out of this mess. But in the meantime, just make sure to bunker down. Now, when it comes to snowfall for today, though, mostly concentrated throughout northern lower Michigan, all associated with the Clipper disturbance, and then even in parts of the central UP, but not as heavy as what we're going to deal with later on, and even a little bit of a break right now. So that is good news, at least if you are outside right now. This is the moment to really take advantage of this drier weather before it really gets downright nasty by the time we get towards the nighttime, into the overnight, and into Tuesday. So low pressure sliding through the Great Lakes tomorrow. We're just going to be under that cold Arctic dome of air, and it's just going to continue to reinforce itself when it comes to those Arctic temperatures. We're going to be dealing with sub-zero wind chills, and if you want to find the warmth, you actually got to go towards the west, into the plains, and even into the Rockies, Wyoming, Colorado, South Dakota. They're going to see temperatures just pleasant, and it's been a while since our temperatures have actually been seasonable for this time of the year, about a good week or so since the last time that, if you remember, at this time last week, we were seeing temperatures around 50 degrees. Not anymore. It's going to be a while before we see numbers like that, but it would be nice just to even break even around 30, and we may have a probability of that by the time we get towards the weekend. So hang in there, everyone. There will be some better weather ahead. We just got to get through the next 36 hours, and we'll begin to see some changes, at least for the better. For tonight, though, 9 degrees, that wind gusts up to 45 miles per hour, really just going to create problems when it comes to driving, so really make sure to slow down. Sustained winds itself up to 35 for tonight, and not really improving too much in the wind department for tomorrow. It's just going to be frigid, just raw, just oppressive. 13 degrees in Houghton, 15 in Iron Mountain. This is not, really the best day to be outside on a Tuesday. And just make sure if you do, just exercise really a good amount of extreme caution. And then we begin to see those snow chances beginning to go back to normal, around 30 to 40%, with just a scattered lake effect variety, with temperatures closer to 30 degrees this weekend.